Hey, badass business owner. In today's tip, what we're going to talk about is something you need to be very crystal clear on, and that is what pain point do you solve for your customer, your client? Because let's face it, they don't just buy the service. They don't care that you are a landscaper. They don't care that you are a plumber. They don't care that you're an electrician. The reason that they reach out to you is because they have a pain point at that moment and they need somebody to solve that pain point. So for example, if someone's yard is overgrown with weeds, yeah, they can go ahead and take care of those themselves. But the pain point, the reason they call is because they don't want to. Maybe they don't have the time. Maybe they don't have the equipment. Maybe the HOA is on their butt about it. They have a pain point that needs to be solved. So if you're a landscaper, you could be sitting there asking, doing your marketing saying, hey, HOA on your butt, we can help. Things like that. If somebody's a pool cleaner, the reason they're calling you is because their pool's changing color. Whatever the reason is, there is a pain point that you solve for your client and your customers. So please make sure that you are crystal clear on what it is that you solve for them. And that's the language you need to use, whether you're doing advertising on Facebook, you're doing postcards, mailings, word of mouth, because what's going to happen is people are going to refer you because their friends or their family are going to be telling them about a pain point they have, a pain that they're suffering from, and they're going to go, hey, you need to use so-and-so because they did this for me. They took away that pain for me, or I understand that they deal with that pain. So just remember, what is the pain point that you solve? And if you like what you see, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, make sure you never miss any episodes because we're going to continue to teach you how to understand your business numbers better. And if you listen to podcasts, don't forget we do have a Badass Business Owner podcast you can download on your favorite app, and the episodes are loaded here into YouTube as well. And now get out there and be the badass that I know you are.